Muscat is located on the northeast coast of Oman, overlooking the Arabian Sea. It has a long history, dating back over 2,000 years, and was an important trading port for much of that time. The city is a vibrant and welcoming destination. Muscat has a hot desert climate, with temperatures averaging around 30 to 40 degrees. The official language of Oman is Arabic, but English is widely spoken in Muscat, especially in tourist areas. Some of the city's main attractions include Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, It features beautiful Islamic architecture. Mutra Souk, this traditional market. Al Alam Palace. This beautiful palace is the official residence of the Sultan of Oman. Beit al-Zubair Museum. This museum is a great place to learn about Oman's history. Kurim Beach. Muscat has several beautiful beaches, but Kurim Beach is one of the most popular. It features white sand, clear water, and plenty of amenities. These are just a few of the many things to see and do in Muscat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.